We are recording! Today on the Tech Wrap-Up we will have the tech news. Also, Microsoft has released a beta of Windows 11 to subscribers of the Windows Insider program. Also today, the Waikato DHB hack has not been fixed yet. We will also have other topics. Let's roll the intro. Welcome to the Tech Wrap-Up. So let's get into the tech news. First, I'm just going to say that Foster isn't here today, so yeah. Okay. Parents of children called Alexa challenge Amazon. Parents of children called Alexa say their daughters are being bullied because it is the same name that Amazon uses for its virtual assistant. Some have even changed the child's name because of the barrage of because they say the barrage of Alexa jokes is relentless. They are calling on Amazon to change the default wake word for its devices to a non-human name. Amazon says it is saddened by these accounts and that alternative wake words are available. The word Alexa has become increasingly common in recent years as more households use voice-activated smart speakers. Amazon's Echo and Echo Dot use Alexa as the command you say before giving it instructions or asking a question. However, this is causing problems for people named Alexa, who are frequently on the receiving end of repeat jokes, where people shout out their name and issue a command. Heather's teenage daughter Alexa received abuse from other children and even teachers because of her name, and as soon as she started secondary school. She started to not want to introduce herself because of the jokes and the backlash. She was and still is a child, yet adults thought it was okay to make a joke of her. It's devastating. The school was unhelpful and told her that she needed to build resilience. Alexa is human. Heather says it took a huge toll on her daughter's mental health. Ultimately, they decided to legally change Alexa's name. She's in a much better place now. We've cut off her friends and moved her to a new school to allow a fresh start. The injustice will never leave her or us. Amazon must change the default wake word on its devices. There was clearly not enough ethical research into using Alexa. There are more than 4,000 people called Alexa, aged under 25 in the UK, and some of their parents have told the BBC similar stories to Heather's. Okay. Next story. Microsoft's Windows 11 blue screen of death becomes black. So it's now the black screen of death. Microsoft's so-called blue screen of death will turn black in the new Windows 11 operating system, according to those with access to a preview of the software. The screen appears when users have a problem on their computer, often prompting a restart. A black background will replace blue, matching the logon and shutdown screens in the new system, The Verge reported. The BBC has contacted Microsoft for comment. The BSOD allows IT professionals to diagnose hardware and memory issues. It usually includes information and data that can help to analyze what problem caused the screen to appear. In 2016, a QR code was added to it which users can scan to find out more information about the fault. Windows 8 also added an unhappy face to the screen in 2012. Photos of the new screen suggest both the QR code and the sad face symbol will remain on the black version. Windows 11. Windows 11 launched last month and will be available as a free update to existing Windows 10 users, although some devices are unable to run the new system, which requires a minimum of 64 GB of storage and 4 GB of RAM. Microsoft will wind down Windows 10 in 2025. Another visual change is that the Start button has been moved to the bottom center of the screen from the bottom right. Okay. That was the tech news. Let's get into our first topic. Windows 11's first beta has been released to developers. So Windows 11 was announced last week. We had coverage of it on the Tech Wrap-Up last week. So if you're part of the Microsoft Insider program, you can download it off of the Microsoft website. Yeah. So Windows 11 will have the Amazon App Store coming to it.
Hi there and welcome back to Tech.
So the test build is named 22000.51. So the minimum specifications for it is 1 GHz or faster with at least 2 cores. And it has to be 64-bit. The minimum RAM is 4 GB. The minimum storage is 64 GB. And a graphics card the minimum graphics card is DirectX 12 or later. The minimum display resolution is 720p, 8-bit per color channel, and it has to be at least 9 inches. Yeah, let's move on to our new topic. Just put my microphone down. The Wicacher DHB hack has still not been fixed. So we talked about this on our very first episode of the Tech Wrap-Up. It still hasn't been fixed, so it must be really, really bad. And yeah, just if you want a free antivirus, download AVG Antivirus, because it'll work if you need antivirus. And just don't go onto random websites, and don't download random things from the internet. Only download it if you know exactly what it is. So yeah. It's a lot better to present the Tech Wrap-Up when we have two presenters. Qualcomm has announced the new Snapdragon 888 Plus SoC. So it's got 8 cores and one of them can turbo up to 3 GHz. Yeah, and they're trying to compete against Apple's M1 chip. What's that? Yeah. Okay. Windows 10 is going to be losing support in 2025. So, most of the devices that run Windows 10 are going to be able to do the free upgrade to Windows 11. Because most devices will have more than 64 gigabytes of storage and 4 gigabytes of RAM. So yeah, Windows 10 will be 10 years old then. And yeah. Okay, next topic. The public betas of Apple's new operating systems announced at WWDC have been released, so you have to sign up to the public beta program. As far as I know, it's free. So there's iOS 15, iPadOS 15, watchOS 8, tvOS 15, and macOS Monterey. So I might do it. I'm not sure whether to do it yet. Yeah. This is going to be a very short tech wrap up. It's a lot better to have people here. Okay, let's go to the next topic. So we have released a new video streaming service called Computer Crunch Plus. So you need a code to access it. But how you get a code is you join the Discord server, linked down in the video description. Or if you're watching this on Computer Crunch Plus, there is no video description. So you can join the Discord server, and then we'll verify that you're actually subscribed by you sending us a screenshot, and then you can get a code. Yeah. So it's quite cool. Let me think. Yeah. It's a bit boring hosting this by myself. Okay, I've got one more topic. There are reports that Apple is working on a new 40-core Mac Pro. So it's meant to have a miniaturized design of the current Mac Pro tower. So yeah. Well, thanks for joining us for this very short tech wrap up. This is available on YouTube, Computer Crunch Plus, and soon to be Twitch. We still haven't got a Twitch account yet. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe. Bye!